1 minute imaginary story. Today, I imagined a future where life expectancy is rising faster than ever in almost every country. Science keeps growing and growing, and with it comes a new age of miraculous technology. I pictured scientists creating advanced machines that can renew the human body, restoring brains, rebuilding organs, repairing veins, and replacing any part that wears out. In this imagined tomorrow, people live far beyond 100, continuing on for many more decades with strong minds and healthy bodies. It feels exciting to think that education fuels this progress. The more we learn, the more science advances, and the more possible it becomes to stretch human life into realms we once believed were pure fantasy. Today's imagination might be tomorrow's reality, and that idea fills me with wonder.